Hi guys, in this video we are going to be testing a new palette by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the Stormi Eyeshadow palette. This is from the Valentine's Day collaboration that she did with her daughter. I received my order a few weeks ago, but I totally forgot about it. So now we're going to test the eyeshadow palette. I also got the lip kit, so I'm gonna do a different video for those. It is made in the USA and we are getting 5.6 grams of product. The theme was butterfly inspired. I think it is so sweet. We have some glitter here also on the butterflies. It is super adorable. The price of it is $28 and this is a mini palette. Time to open the box. Oh my god, look at the details. We even have butterflies on the inside of the box. Super pretty. This is the palette. We also have the glitter here, and let's see the eyeshadows. Oops, we have a plastic layer to protect them. I like that we have a mini palette so we can actually use all of the eyeshadows. And this is the color Story. I think it is super pretty for spring. I'm hoping that we can create a lot of eye looks with colors. We also have a mirror and some butterflies on the mirror. I want to start with the swatches, so let's see this eyeshadow here. Ooh, it's super soft. Very nice. This is 443. Ooh, it's super shiny, but it is a little bit crumbly. Maybe this is the time that Kylie gave birth to her daughter. I'm not sure. This one here is Butterfly Babe. This is a light pink eyeshadow with some micro glitter and a shimmery finish. After that we have the Perfect Storm. It is a little bit powdery. It reminds me the Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows. Let's see the next eyeshadows. This one here is Angel on Earth. After that we have Stormy Weather. This one is very glittery and it's not even sticking on the back of my hand. That's not nice. And this one is Love Without Limits. The names are so special. Pa-pa-da-bam. This one is Stormy World. And then Baby Girl. My camera died and this is the last eyeshadow, the Forever Thing. Headband on my eyes. I have already used these products here. This is the Camouflage Matte Concealer by Essence in the shade 30 Light Honey, and I have set it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm always setting my concealer. I feel like this way I can have a more wearable eye look. Zoom. I'm gonna start with this light peachy eyeshadow. It has a matte finish. This one is super powdery, be careful. And I'm gonna diffuse this in the crease area. I think it has a very nice color payoff. It is a light peachy eyeshadow, but you can still see the color in the crease. I'm going back and forth in the crease area and I'm using the eye blender brush by Essence. With a smaller brush, I want to take this here. This is also very powdery and it is called Perfect Storm. I'm going to buff that in the outer crease with the 225 brush by Zoeva. You can also use this eyeshadow as your transition shade. It has a nice color payoff. You can still see the color on top of the peachy eyeshadow and it blends very nicely. With an eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm going in this vibrant purple eyeshadow. This one has a matte finish and I'm gonna press that on the outer eyelid. Ooh, this one looks fabulous. Very nice opacity. And with the tip of the brush, I'm also blending in the crease. It blended like magic. It's a very vibrant eyeshadow. I'm always a little scared with this type of colors because you can give to your eye makeup raccoon eyes. I'm also using a second layer of this eyeshadow to make it more intense. Here we have this light lilac eyeshadow. It has like a duochrome finish, lilac with champagne. And with my eyeshadow brush by Essence, I'm pressing that on the center of the eyelid. This one has like a sticky consistency. It is like a creamy eyeshadow. So I want to take some with my fingertip as well and see if I can make it more shiny. Yeah, definitely. You need to use your fingertip. With a clean finger, I'm blending the edges. On the other side, I'm gonna use it with a sponge tip applicator. Yeah, it's not the same. So I will try again with my fingertip. And after that, I want to use this one in the inner corner, but I don't have high hopes. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, it's not even transferring on my brush. It's not happening. So we can see just a little bit of the eyeshadow, but it's almost not visible. I'm trying with my sponge tip applicator again. Oh yeah. Now we can see something. With the eyeshadow brush, I'm blending the two eyeshadows together. And on the other eye, I want to use it with the Primer Water by Smashbox. This is a setting spray. Nope. This is not working. It is like a paste and it's not even smooth. It is terrible. So I'm going to use again my sponge tip applicator. At least it was looking natural. With the setting spray, the eyeshadow is looking more vibrant, but it's not smooth. And with all of this blending, I lost the intensity of the lilac eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use some more. Apparently, you need to use these eyeshadows with your fingers because they are not noticeable otherwise. Also, it is the easiest way. I'm not very happy about that. For the outer part of the lower lash line, I want to use this one here. It is like a cool tone brown eyeshadow with a matte finish. And I'm using the smudging brush by Urban Decay. This eyeshadow has a very nice intensity and it is very easy to blend. So I want to use in the inner part this eyeshadow here, the golden. I'm a little bit afraid. And I'm gonna use the side of the sponge tip applicator. Okay, this one actually looks okay. And let's see if I can do this on the other eye. It is always a challenge. Okay, I wasn't expecting for this to actually work. I'm impressed because they actually stuck. I believe that with a glitter primer, a glitter glue, you can make it look even better. That was a good one. Nice surprise! With the same smudging brush, I'm gonna take this lilac shade here. This one has a matte finish. And with this one, I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line. This one has a very nice intensity and also blends super easily. Okay, the glitter are moving a lot because they need a sticky base. I don't think it is going to work on a wet concealer. Following that, I want to try this shade here. 443. This one also has this creamy texture and I'm using the brush Luxie 141. It looks super pretty. I'm pressing this in the inner corner. It has a very nice sheen. I want to add the light peachy eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well because I think that my eyes look a little bit tired and I want to change that. Yeah, I prefer it this way. It lightens up the eye look. I have applied mascara, this one here by Catrice. This is the Glam & Doll Curl and Volume Mascara. And let's talk a little bit about the eyeshadow palette. I like the matte shades a lot, however they are very powdery. And the shimmery shades, I can say they are not my favorite because some of them are not so easy to use. I like the color story, but I don't like that the lightest shade that I can use as a highlighter, this one here, is very glittery. And for darker skin tones, so this one here is also, you know, only glitter. About the packaging, this is very easy to use and to do your makeup. You can hold it because it is lightweight. Super adorable. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more eye looks with this eyeshadow palette. Also, let me know if you have another favorite product by Kylie Cosmetics. This is my first product that I have tried by this brand. You can find here another spring makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!